Hi, my name is Tatiana Anders. I'm an actress. I always get auditions for Russian or German, which is annoying me a little bit because I would love to expand and play British roles, characters as well. But unfortunately my accent, British people can hear that I'm not from here, which is why I'm working on it.
Okay, the back closed vowel sound, ooh.
Ooh.
So see how my lips protrude outwards? Ooh.
Ooh.
Good. Cat, cut, cart.
Cat, cut, cart.
Good, good. Now let's go into the and R comparison exercise. First, fast.
First, fast. Universally.
Lee.
Lee.
If you make that L lighter, then it's going to sound more British. So see how my tongue is barely moving?
Man.
Yes.
She sells seashells on the seashore. I found it so helpful. Thank you so much, honestly. I think a lot of the problems that I've experienced were about listening as well and trying to internalize what I'm perceiving, from native speakers. I think, for example, what you were saying about, certain words that should just drop your jaw and don't move anything. That's super helpful, just to know how to actually achieve it. The cat ran under the truck. Lack. Lack.
La la la.
La la la.
This is a true universal.
The thought had been the thought I thought.
Good.
Make sure to sign up to Anton's pronunciation course. It's helped me so much already and I've only just started and it's definitely going to help you too.